A hamburger looks simple. A bun, a patty, maybe cheese, sauce, and vegetables. But the moment you take the first bite, an extraordinary chain of biological events begins inside your body. As the hamburger enters the mouth, teeth break it into smaller pieces. Salivary glands release saliva, softening the food and beginning early carbohydrate breakdown. Jaw muscles, nerves, and blood vessels work in perfect coordination, forming a smooth, swallowable bolus. The tongue pushes the food backward. Swallowing begins. The epiglottis closes the airway, protecting the lungs, while the food enters the esophagus. Wave-like muscle contractions, called peristalsis, carry the hamburger downward, passing the heart and lungs on its way to the stomach. As the lower esophageal sphincter opens, the hamburger enters the stomach. Here, digestion truly begins. The stomach expands to accommodate the meal. Powerful muscles churn the food, mixing it with gastric acid and digestive enzymes. Proteins from the meat begin to unfold. Fats separate into droplets. The solid meal slowly transforms into a semi-liquid mixture known as chyme. Hydrochloric acid creates an acidic environment, activating enzymes like pepsin. This process breaks complex proteins into smaller building blocks. The stomach carefully regulates this process, releasing small portions of chyme into the small intestine. As chyme enters the duodenum, the pancreas and gallbladder join the process. The pancreas releases enzymes that break down proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. The gallbladder releases bile, which emulsifies fats, breaking large fat globules into smaller absorbable droplets. Digestion now shifts from breakdown to absorption. Inside the small intestine, the surface transforms into a vast nutrient-absorbing landscape. Millions of tiny finger-like structures called villi, and even smaller microvilli, dramatically increase surface area. Glucose from the bun passes through intestinal cells into the bloodstream. Amino acids from the meat enter capillaries, ready to support tissue maintenance. Fats take a different route, entering the lymphatic system as chylomicrons before reaching circulation. Nutrient-rich blood flows directly to the liver through the portal vein. Here, the liver acts as a metabolic control center, storing glucose as glycogen, processing fats, and redistributing nutrients according to the body's needs. From there, nutrients travel throughout the body. The brain receives glucose, supporting mental focus and neural activity. The heart uses nutrients to maintain steady, powerful contractions. Muscles receive amino acids that help maintain structure and function. Inside every cell, mitochondria convert these nutrients into ATP, the energy currency of life. A hamburger can provide satiety, energy, and essential nutrients like iron and protein. Hormonal signals travel between the gut and brain, telling you that you feel full. But the story doesn't end there. Because hamburgers are often high in fat, salt, and refined carbohydrates, they also place a heavier workload on the digestive system. Stomach acid production increases. Blood sugar levels may rise quickly, prompting the pancreas to release insulin. Fat-rich meals can slow digestion, sometimes leading to heaviness or fatigue. Excess sodium may cause temporary fluid retention. Frequent consumption can influence gut bacteria balance and promote low-grade inflammation over time. None of this happens instantly, and none of it is inherently dangerous in moderation. The human body is remarkably adaptive. It is designed to handle complex foods, regulate balance, and restore stability. A hamburger is not just fast food. It is a biochemical event, a coordinated performance involving organs, enzymes, hormones, blood vessels, and cells working silently to keep you alive. Every bite tells a story, and inside your body, that story is always in motion.